This video is a little bit about, first of all, an unpackaging. But it's also about, if any of you know me or have followed this channel or watched any other videos that I've done, you probably have seen my kayak show up every now and then. It's a Chesapeake Lightcraft Shearwater Sport. And I built that thing, I want to say 7 years ago, something like that. And I've been struggling. I've been wanting to name that kayak for the longest time. Now, I finally have come up with a name, and you'll find out what it is at the end of this video. But I struggled with how to apply the name to the boat. I talked to all kinds of people. I talked to marine shops. I talked to hobby shops, and of course, it's a wood fiberglass boat with a varnish, with a marine varnish finish. And everybody was saying, well, you got to sand the varnish off, and then you got to, apply the name, and then revarnish the area. And as it turns out, that's not the case. I talked to some of the people at CLC, Chesapeake Lightcraft, and they said, no, you might just need to rough it up just a little bit, and then you can paint the name on, or we can send you, which is in here, a vinyl lettering for the side of the boat. And it's just a process, and they actually have a very fine video on their website that shows you step by step how to do that. So I'm going to open this up, and in here is the name. You're not going to see it yet, but you're going to go out to the garage with me, and you're going to help me apply this name to the boat. Let's go out. Here's the boat. She's a little banged up now. Had her for quite a few years. But hey, love it. And this is my air conditioner right now. I'm just leaving the door open because it's just bloody hot. And I don't want it to be bloody hot in here while I'm working. Okay, but first I'm going to show you something. You might say I love decals. Here's my favorite. Oh, hi there. Okay, so we're ready to go. I've got everything I need, and here's the decal. Of course, you can't see that yet. I've got a rag to wipe up any excess water. I have kind of a makeshift squeegee. This is actually one of the scraping things that I use for my cast iron skillets, but it'll work perfectly for this. And I've got a spray bottle full of soapy water, which serves two purposes. First of all, I'm going to clean the area where the decal is going to go, and second of all, that will allow me to position the decal, make sure it's in the right spot, and then after that we go after it with the squeegee and get all of the water out of there that we possibly can. All right. Dude, I'm scared. I tell you what, though, I'm going to turn the sound off at this point, and we're going to say that you're going to listen to. I've got the U.S. Open going on over here, and I've got my dryer going. Laundry happens, okay? All right, so I'll turn the sound off at this point. what I need to do now, you can't see that name camera. What I need to do now is let the stencil dry for about an hour. So I'll go in and have a little spot of dinner. And then I'll come out here and we'll take this off and see how we did. All right. Okay, boys and girls, so we really are at the moment of truth here. I'm going to attempt to take backing paper off of the name here. Wish me luck. Say a prayer. Here goes nothing. Have to go super slow. I apologize. The dryer is still going in the background. Okay, so far so good. Oh man. This is so nerve-wracking. It's going good. It's going good, boys and girls. Oh, dude. Oh. I'm so pleased right now. Oh. Still taking my time. Yes! Rip the Band-Aid off, bro! Yes! Okay, I'll be right back with the reveal. So yeah, the installation of the name graphic for my kayak is complete, and I'm just going to make the short story short. And it's just ironic that this is Father's Day, because this is as much a gift to my son as it is to myself. Okay, so if you've been following me at all, you know that almost 7 months ago, I became a grandfather to a beautiful baby girl. And so, with that in mind, I revealed that her name is Cora Grace, and her name is Cora Grace. How perfect is that? Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. It was really special for me to make it, and I can't wait to publish it and put it up on Facebook. But shh, don't tell anybody, because, well, okay, by the time it's published, everybody will know. Okay.